everyone, it's Jen from catascrapdesigns. How are you today? I'm here today to do the hashtag 50 stack challenge, guest check number 12. Earlier this morning I had done guest check number 11, which was packing paper. So this is what I had done. So every week, if you're new to the hashtag 50 stack challenge, every week Amy from Crafty Cat will pull 2 prompts. We'll do 2 guest checks a week, and she'll pull 2 prompts, and we'll do whatever that prompt is. This prompt was packaging paper to embellish a guest check. So I used packing paper to embellish this guest check. That was the prompt for guest check number 11. So guest check number 12, the prompt is crimped paper. Now, I threw my crimping tool out a very long time ago. But Amy did say that we could fold back and forth and use something similar to what it would look like. So I came up with these guys, and I got them from an old mini paper rosette die that I cut out, and I was able to fold back and forth. So it's not exactly crimped paper, but it's similar, I guess. So we got to go with what we have, because I don't have a crimper anymore. So what I was thinking was starting mine off with a piece of vellum and making a pocket. And I was just going to rip this a little bit. And I was going to actually sew my pocket. So I am going to bring this over to my sewing machine. Gonna be 2 seconds, and I will be right back. Okay, so I am back with my vellum pocket. It's right here. The reason I did the pocket was because what I had in mind really isn't anything special, and I guess I got a little caught up with not having a crimper, but I'll survive. So this was already made out of this. This is a rosette. This is what this actually is. You glue it together and you make a flower out of it. I'm going to be using this as my crimping paper. But I am going to be using, I guess I'm making a flower. Before I do that, I was going to make a, while my heat gun heats up, I was just going to make a small not a tag, but so a little less than 3 inches by 3.5. was going to make a journal card. That's still to... That fits. That was my scraps. And I was going to make a, because this is, you may not see it or know it, but this is Christmas themed paper. So I'm going to match this with that, and I'm going to make a whale tail tab. For this. And I'm actually going to round the corners on this. Ink it up a little bit. And then I'm just going to sew this on. So I'm going to take this over to my sewing machine and I will be back in 2 seconds. Okay, so I am back with my journal card. So I'm just going to leave it out for now. So what I planned on doing was making a flower using this. Not exactly sure how yet. I'm going to have to cut some of this off. But I do need my glue gun. So I thought I would start by gluing the flower to what is going to be the stem. I don't want to glue it down yet. I'm not exactly sure how much of the stem I'm going to need or how much I'm going to crimp up. So I'm going to start with putting this down. And we'll see where that takes us. I might be able to crimp this up and just use it all. Get some of that glue off. So we have the stem. So now we have this piece. And what I had planned on doing with this piece was just gluing a little piece to it. And using this as the leaf, I was going to hot glue I want to do the end of that because I want to make sure that my card fits in there. But we also want to make sure that this stays down. And then gluing. I think I glued the wrong part. I did glue the wrong part. All right, stupid me. Yes, that's hot. I gotta get the back. And these are supposed to be the stems. So this is the extent of my crimped guest check. I tried to come up with something else, but I couldn't. Okay. So this is my guest check number 12. Journal card, pocket, and the crimping is in the, I put the glue on the wrong spot over here, which is why that's showing. Shame on me, but the crimping is the stem and the leaves. So, and the flower. So here's mine. Thank you guys for sticking around and watching my video. My guest check number 12, crimped paper. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And I will answer them as always. And you guys have a great day. And until my next video, I will talk to you soon. Bye.